the full process of restoring a flapper wedding dress from the 1920s. This incredible gown is made of silk and has around 500 grommet set rhinestones that can't be removed. It's oxidized with some perspiration stains that unfortunately ate the fabric around the armpits. And after discussing the problem with our client, we decided removing the sleeves was the best option. So our historical dress expert Pamela took care of it prior to cleaning. First, the dress had to be pre-soaked to add a layer of protection for the fabric. And because the grommet set rhinestones, a sodium perborate bath is out of the question. So, an Athlon bath is the best option. Bill places the towels on the gown and only lets it soak for a short amount of time because the fabric is so delicate. Then he begins the process of hand washing. After being hung to dry overnight, the next day the gown needs to be dry cleaned. So Bill turns it inside out and puts it inside a mesh bag. Then he fills the machine with multiple wedding dresses to give the gown more protection while it's being cleaned, because it limits the mechanical agitation. Now, part of the process that y'all didn't see was that this gown came with undergarments, gloves, and stockings from 1914. The elastic waistband was so worn out that we replaced it, and Bill presses them just like he would a wedding dress. Now it's time for the dress. Finally, it's time for the before and afters. What was once yellow and dingy turned out brighter than ever. Although we had to be very gentle with this piece, it truly came out amazing. Now it's ready to go home. Restoring a gown like this is more than just cleaning fabric. It's preserving history, every stitch and every rhinestone. Despite its age and fragility, this gown was given the care and patience it deserved, allowing its beauty to shine once again without compromising its integrity. Pieces like this don't come around often, and being trusted with something so rare and meaningful is a responsibility we never take lightly. Now, this 1920s flapper gown is ready to be safely returned home, carrying its story forward for generations to come.